Welcome back, Bright Minds. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Megan.
And we have a super excited STEM project for you today. Since Halloween is fast approaching, we thought we could do something very spooky and creative. So we built our very own catapults, and we can't wait to show you how to make them.
This is a super easy design and technology activity that you can do at home or at school. And if you're a teacher, stick around for the end where we can show you exactly where it fits into the Australian curriculum.
Let's get started.
This is a very easy STEM project which should take you about 5 to 10 minutes to make. The possibilities are endless, so you can use any materials you like, but this is what we used. 10 jumbo pop sticks, rubber bands, bottle caps, ping pong balls, a hot glue gun and some spare glue sticks.
So Megan, what is the first step?
Well, step 1, you need to grab 8 of your jumbo pop sticks and have them stacked up on one another like this.
Sort of like a little tower or a pop stick sandwich.
Once you have that, you're going to grab 2 rubber bands and you're going to put one on this end and you're going to put one on this end so it secures them nice and tightly together.
We don't want them to move like a little fan. We'll put a rubber band on each end nice and securely.
Like that.
The next step is to grab your 9th pop stick and slot it in between the last 2 pop sticks in your popsicle stack. So make sure your pop stick is going in the very middle of your pop stick stack, not on the left or right side, we want it right in the middle.
Make sure we leave some room on the other side. We're going to need to use that in a second.
At the end of this step, your little popsicle stack should look like the letter T.
With your 10th and last popsicle stick, you want to put it on top so it's not like the other one where we put it in between 2 pop sticks. It's going to balance on the top. And where we left that little bit at the bottom, we are going to put another rubber band to secure those 2 together. Now you should have something that looks a little bit like this.
Sort of looks like a bird's beak. Yeah, quack quack. So the next step is a little bit tricky if you don't have an adult to help you, so make sure you have someone there to supervise you to make sure you're doing it correctly. The next step, we're going to be gluing our bottle top lids to the top of our little catapult.
When we glue this one on, we want to make sure that we're not gluing it right on the edge of our pop stick. We want to leave about a fingernail space from the top, so we have somewhere we can pull down on our catapult.
Everybody, our catapults are complete. Now an additional step is you can decorate your catapults by painting them, colouring them with textures, anything you like. You can be as creative as you wish. We have pre-decorated our ping pong balls to suit our Halloween theme. I have a little jack-o'-lantern.
And I have a little eye.
I have something else in mind, Megan.
Oh, what do you have in mind, Kristen?
Let's have a catapult competition.
Oh, you're on.
Let's see whose catapult flings these ping pong balls the furthest. This is a great way to integrate numeracy into your design and technologies task.
Ready, set, play.
3, 2, 1. Geronimo!
We have blast off in 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Well, there you have it, Bright Minds, your very own popsicle stick catapult.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to keep up to date with all our new videos.
And if you tried the STEM project at home or in your class, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at Bright Minds Teaching. We'd love to see your creations. Until next time, see you soon, Bright Minds.